Bula Vinaka to our students and teachers across the country. By now, I expect most of us are well familiar with the novel coronavirus, known also as COVID-19. As we have watched this virus spread around the world, I know all of us have spent time thinking about the role we have to play in keeping our people healthy. That is why this Constitution Day, we are putting a spotlight on what each of us can do to keep Fiji safe from COVID-19. Our Fijian Constitution is one of the most progressive in the world. It not only secures every Fijian's political rights, like our right to equal votes of equal value and our common and equal citizenship, it goes further, enshrining a vast array of socio-economic rights, such as the right to education, the right to economic participation, and the right to health. In recognition of the incredible work of Fiji's healthcare heroes to contain Fiji's outbreak of COVID-19, this year's Constitution Day celebrations will focus on realizing the right to health for all Fijians. In partnership with the team behind our new Care Fiji digital contact tracing mobile application, we are looking to you, the students of Fiji, to answer the following prompt. Given the challenge of coronavirus pandemic, how can all of us work together to uphold every Fijian's right to health as enshrined in our Fijian Constitution? Now, there is no wrong answer to this prompt. Maybe you have an innovative way to inspire more hand washing. Perhaps you know how we can encourage the use of technology, like the Care Fiji, to keep our people healthy, or how we can all ensure physical distancing wherever possible. And do not forget, one of the best ways to keep ourselves protected from COVID-19 is to prioritize our own well-being through healthy dieting and regular exercise. You can answer this prompt through an essay, a poem, a short story, or even a TikTok, and we urge you to be creative. But please, remember to keep your videos under 4 minutes. We have set up a dedicated Facebook page where you can post your video submissions. Simply go to our Constitution Day 2020 page on Facebook and upload your videos with a caption that includes your name, your class year, and the name of your school. Any student enrolled in years 1 through 13 are welcome to make a submission. Your teachers are welcome to post on your behalf. Your teachers can also help you film your submissions, or you can film them at home. But do not worry if you cannot get your contributions on camera. Written submissions are also acceptable. I plan to host our winning students and their families here at the State House this Constitution Day. We also have some other great prizes lined up as well, which we will announce in the coming days. To our participating students, I cannot wait to see your submissions. I wish you well and may God bless you and our beloved nation. Thank you.